I step into the gym, and it's like walking into a whole new world. The place is huge, with shiny machines everywhere. Weights clank, treadmills hum, and music pumps through the speakers. People are lifting, running, and stretching, and I feel a bit nervous. My name's Mia, and this is my first real day at the gym. I want to get stronger, have more energy, and feel good about myself. But I'm a total beginner, and all these machines look intimidating. I spot the fitness instructor, Alex, near a row of weights. He's wearing a black shirt and has a friendly smile. I take a deep breath and walk over, ready to learn. "Hi, Alex," I say, trying to sound confident. "Hey, Mia. Awesome to see you here," Alex says. "Is this your first time?" "Pretty much," I say. "I want to start exercising, but I don't know what to do. Can you help me?" "For sure," Alex says. "What do you want to achieve? Get stronger, build endurance, or maybe lose some weight?" "I want to get stronger and feel less tired," I say. "I work at a desk all day, so I need more energy." "Great goals," Alex says. "Let's start with some simple exercises to build your strength. Have you ever tried lifting weights?" "No way," I say, eyeing the big weights on the rack. "They look so heavy." Alex chuckles. "Don't worry, we'll use light ones. Let's try a dumbbell. It's a small weight you hold in your hand." He hands me a dumbbell, and it feels okay, like carrying a big water bottle. "What do I do with it?" I ask. "This is for an exercise called a bicep curl," Alex says. "Hold the dumbbell, keep your elbow by your side, and lift it to your shoulder. Then lower it slowly, like this." He bends his arm smoothly to show me. I try it, lifting the dumbbell up and down. "Is this right?" I ask. "Almost," Alex says. "Keep your wrist straight, not bent. Try again." I do it again, focusing on my wrist. It feels better. "How many times should I do this?" "Do 10 bicep curls," Alex says. "That's called a set. After 10, rest for a minute, then do another set." "Okay, 10 times," I say. I start lifting. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. My arm feels warm, like it's working hard. "Done," I say, smiling. "Nice work, Mia," Alex says. "You're a quick learner. Let's try something for your legs. Have you heard of a squat?" "No, what's that?" I ask. A squat is when you bend your knees and lower your body, like sitting in an invisible chair, Alex explains. He does one, bending his knees and standing back up. It strengthens your legs and core. "That looks doable," I say. I try it, bending my knees and going down, then up. "Like this?" "Pretty good," Alex says. "But keep your knees behind your toes and your back straight. Watch me again." He does a slow squat. I copy him, keeping my back straight. "Better?" I ask. "Much better," Alex says. "Do 12 squats for one set. Rest, then do another." I start squatting. 1, 2, 3, 12. My legs feel tingly, but it's kind of fun. "I can feel my legs," I say. "That's the goal," Alex says. "You're killing it. Let's try one more exercise for your core. That's the middle of your body, like your stomach muscles." "My stomach? I'd love a strong core," I say. "Great. Let's do a plank," Alex says. "Get on the floor, rest on your elbows and toes, and hold your body straight, like a board. Like this." He gets down and holds a plank, steady and strong. I try it. I get on the floor, prop up on my elbows and hold. My arms shake a little. Wow, this is tough, I say. You're doing awesome, Alex says. Hold it for 15 seconds, then rest. I count in my head. 1, 2, 3, 15. I drop to the floor, laughing. That was hard. It is, Alex says. Planks are great for your core. You'll get stronger every time. How often should I do these exercises? I ask. Can I do them every day? Not every day, Alex says. Your body needs rest to recover. Try 3 days a week, like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Do 2 sets of each, 10 bicep curls, 12 squats, and a 15-second plank. That sounds good, I say. What if I forget how to do them? No problem, Alex says. I'll write them down for you, and you can ask me anytime. Let's review. Bicep curl. Lift the dumbbell 10 times. Squat. Bend your knees 12 times. Plank. Hold for 15 seconds. Got it? Got it, I say. Can I add more exercises later? Definitely, Alex says. Once you're comfortable, we can try push-ups or lunges, but these 3 are perfect for beginners. Cool, I say. What about food? Should I eat something special to help? Smart question, Alex says. Eat healthy foods to give you energy. Try fruits like bananas or apples, vegetables like broccoli or carrots, and protein like eggs or chicken. Drink lots of water too. I love bananas, I say, but I'm not great with vegetables. Any ideas? Start small, Alex says. Add spinach to a smoothie or eat carrots with some dip. It's all about finding what you like. That sounds easy, I say. How much water should I drink? Aim for about 8 glasses a day, Alex says. More if you're exercising. Water keeps your body ready for your fitness journey. Journey? That sounds exciting, I say. Like I'm starting something big. You are, Alex says. You're already doing great. Keep up the good work and come back next week for more. Thanks so much, Alex, I say. I feel so much better now. You're welcome, Mia, Alex says. You've got this. I grab my water bottle and head toward the door. The gym feels less scary now. My arms and legs are a little tired, but I'm proud of myself. I learned how to do bicep curls, squats, and planks, and I know more about eating healthy. I'm excited to come back and keep getting stronger. Before I go, I want to share 10 words I used today. These are super useful for talking about the gym, and they're easy to learn. Try saying them with me. Stronger. When your muscles have more power, like, I want to get stronger. Energy. The power to move and feel good. Like, exercise gives me energy. Endurance. The ability to keep going for a long time. Like, running builds endurance. Strength. How strong your muscles are. Like, squats build strength. Dumbbell. A small weight you hold. Like, I use a dumbbell for bicep curls. Bicep curl. An exercise for your arms. Like, do 10 bicep curls. Set. A group of exercise repetitions. Like, do 2 sets of squats. Squat. An exercise where you bend your knees. Like, squats make your legs strong. Core. The middle of your body, like your stomach. Like, planks help your core. Rest. to relax after exercise, like rest between sets. That's my day at the gym. I had a blast talking to Alex and learning new exercises. I hope you learned some new English words too. Try practicing them or even doing a squat at home. What do you think about the gym? Would you talk to a trainer like I did? If you enjoyed this story, please follow 10 Minutes English for more fun ways to learn English. I'll be back with more stories soon. See you next time.